Knowing about world map in which each country is centralized, today I will talk about the way of typhoon or storm in West Pacific area from the equator to the Japan, around East Asia. For 2 years in Korea, uh, no storm reaches in Korea, and maybe in 2025 this year, supposed to uh, that the storms will not come to Korea. Why is it happened? It it becomes from the change of the climate or the weather condition. And in Korea, have experience about rainy season, and then we have a long rainy season. But in fact, the long rainy season also disappeared in Korea. Just only moving the rain from severely the rain a lot. In terms of typhoon in East Asia, West and West Pacific area, now and today, and Typhoon 10, named below right, named below right, appeared east of Philippines and then penetrate in the middle of the Philippines and then way to the west and then now and uh, Typhoon 10 reach to the middle of Vietnam and go from the category is from 13 to 5 and then while the typhoon moving to the west and then the typhoon got weakened in terms of the weather condition. So interestingly, and then the still and typhoon uh, affected uh, Southeast Asia, like Vietnam or South China, Hong Kong or other place, and also the Japan. Japan got some storm typhoon, the east to south area. Uh, but and the area of Korea and here the east and west in Korea, there's no typhoon. Typhoon didn't come reach to the Korean Peninsula. And there's some reason and then why it happens. So I'm quite interested in the weather change, climate affect the typhoon road way to typhoon. And so maybe the heating severely in Korean Peninsula very hot. The hot means and then more than hot other place. So and then the moisture from the ocean comes, but when the typhoons appear and made, and then typhoon needed to energy, so uh, going to the little bit lower temperature because when the heat is come and then power and then heat from the moving to the uh, cooler area. But when the typhoon came out and the typhoon couldn't reach it because of the climate, the temperature difference, the cannot make it some. Uh, and also when the autumn comes, and now already we passed on September 22 in autumn, autumn, the daytime and nighttime is same. Daytime and nighttime same, and then equinox. Uh, the autumn equinox already the past. So it means the nighttime will be longer than the daytime. By doing that, and then the northern area, the much more cooler, and then cooling airs comes to, and then nowadays the winds and from the northeast or northwest, so it's the wind already changed. So in typhoon season is at the end in Korean Peninsula. So I think luckily we don't have any typhoon here for 2 years. This is about climate change or the change of the um, weather, weather condition. And then I'm quite interested in why it happens. Can you tell me why it happens? Now I talk about typhoon in Korean Peninsula. So for 2 years, then there are no typhoons.